empty one color, then empty glass, another color, empty glass, another color, empty glass, another color, empty glass if you want, but we didn't add another empty glass after our last color. So, we also need some paper towel and water. So, let's start playing. Now it's time to fold the paper towel. Okay, can you help me?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
I think we need 3 folds. So Papa's folding them for me. Papa's folding it for me. Papa is folding it for me. Folding it for me. Folding it for me. Beep, 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 boo. Okay. I'm stacking all of them and making a tower out of them. Okay, let me build my tower. Tower is starting to get hard. Last piece of my tower. Now it's time to add some drops of food color. But kids, make sure you don't. Ask your parents to help. Because if you use this food color, it will get on your hands and it is really hard to get it off. So ask your parent to help. But I'm gonna try. I am very careful, so I'm gonna try doing it. Bloop, bloop, bloop. Oh, look at that! It's so cool! Do that with blue. Do that to blue. Whoa. Oh, it's fully red now. Bloop, 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 bloop. Oh, look at that blue. Look at that blue spread. Look at it. There's still more area blue. It's a yellow. Oh, look at that. That's cool. Blue is done already. And red and yellow. Yep, yeah. Yellow's done. Now it's time for green. Come on, green. Open. Bloop, bloop, bloop. Oops. That was a little too much. It's still going to spread. Look at that. Look at. Now it's time to get to stir. Gimme the stir. Guys, if your food color didn't catch some areas of the water, you can mix it. That's what we're going to do. Red finished. Blue finished. Yellow finished. Green didn't. Let's help green. Woo! And our pattern is red, empty, yeah, blue, empty, yellow, empty, green. Now it's time to break my paper towel down and put the paper towel in. So this is how you're supposed to do it. So put the first triangle of paper towel in the first color. Then put the next one like this. 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 And watch. Still, look, the food color water already started to walk up. Okay. Woo, look at that. This is empty. This is empty. Now, wait and watch the magic, but the magic is going to take a lot of time, so we're going to put the video on time-lapse. Time-lapse start. So guys, finally, our magic is done. It took 3 hours and it took a whole bunch of charge from the device we're using. It took a lot of time because this used capillary action, and capillary action uses a bunch of time. So the water came up on this towel using capillary action. So see, this was empty and half of the red climbed up here using capillary action, and half of the blue climbed up on the paper towel into this empty glass using capillary action. And same thing with all of the rest. This was empty. And some of the blue and yellow went into this green glass now. And I did that by using capillary action. Same thing here. And no, not there, here. See? The green and yellow climbed up the paper towel into this green glass now and made light green. Well, not really light green, but still green. And now I'm going to tell you what all these colors make together. So, red and blue make purple. Blue and yellow make green. Yellow and green make light green. Guys, now let's play with the paper towel. Woo! Now I think I want to mix these colors. We're not gonna use these greens. We're gonna put away the greens. There's way too many greens. Let's put some blue. Here, it's getting a little purplish now. Add some more blue. Papa, can you please move these glasses so I can spread this? I put them in a rainbow shape right now. Which is fun. Fun. Guys, this is super fun. You gotta do this. If you can. And you need food color for this. If you don't, you can just use normal water. And look how amazing my ball came out. See? Oh, it's nice and cool and multicolor. Guys, please do this. Is really learnable, so please do it. This experiment, and you can learn a lot about colors and changing colors and what a few of the rainbow colors make when they mix to each other. And I hope you like my multicolor ball too, not only my video. Guys, I hope you enjoyed my video. Please like, share, and before I say bye, please pause the video, and if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please subscribe. Thanks for watching my video. Woo! Bye! Water walk, bye! Multicolor ball, bye!